Hello, Alan McIlroy from Berthon here, and today I would like to show you over the Southerly 47 LUMINOUS. This particular yacht dates from 2012, currently berthed here in Palma. The yacht is currently looked after by Berthon Spain and benefited from a bit of a pit stop with my colleagues in Spain this spring. So as you can see, she's currently afloat and ready to go for the season. So just stepping aboard, nice wide cockpit there, twin wheels, giving you a nice walkthrough, and a large cockpit table. Instruments, you can see just the controls of the bow and stern thruster there in front of the port side helm. Control lines laid aft nicely as well to those two winches, and you've got a couple of line bins just forward of the helming position, which is handy for the line tails. Other halyards and so on are laid aft either side of the companionway. So stepping forward, the yacht has dark blue topsides, teak-led deck and white superstructure. You just see the track on the foredeck there for the self-tacking 100% jib. She sports two furlers on the bow, the outer being for your larger reaching Genoa, and the inner furler for the 100% solent jib, as it were. It's also got a stainless stubby bowsprit there as well for flying a Jenniker. So looking aft, nice sleek looking yacht. As you can see there, all control lines from the mast led aft over the coach roof into the cockpit. Quick look up the Selden carbon rig. Radar antenna offset to starboard. A little bit of breeze there today. The yacht sports a conventional mainsail and twin head sails, all by north, and a north Jenniker. Selden rod kicker there as well. Main sheet track on the coach roof, nicely out of the way of the cockpit. And spray hood and full cockpit bimini, a bit of a prerequisite in this part of the world. And Lumar winches. You see the adjustable backstay there as well. And a couple of nice push pit seats there. Plenty of stowage in the cockpit. Giving access, she does have a drop-down transom and a little dinghy garage as well on the transom, of course. Saloon table with stowage, and I should mention there's a little Raymarine plotter and instrument housed in the end of the saloon table there as well. Looking forward, you can see the bank of Raymarine ST60 instrumentation just over the companionway. So stepping below, the yacht is finished in teak with laminated teak and holly effect cabin sole. The saloon is upholstered in blue leather and the cabins in blue fabric. Just a pan around on this saloon. Saloon seating to port, with the table there on a telescopic. Aft the galley. Pretty well equipped galley, nice stainless fronted front opening fridge there. There's also an additional freezer in the corner. Stainless steel 3-burner stove. Just a detail there of the freezer. Both on keel coolers. Twin stainless sink. So well positioned and good seagoing galley. surfaces in a black granite Corian. The saloon windows are letting lots of light, so a nice bright airy saloon. The Yacht features Ebbsbacher heating and Webasto air conditioning. Stepping forward, large guest cabin, forepeak. And lots of stowage. Open shelving down, high level cupboards. And the hatches there, as you can see, are fitted with little Roman blinds. The condition throughout there on all of the veneers and bulkheads. The cabinetry is in very good order. Moving aft slightly, we have a large twin cabin to port. 2 good-sized berths. And side table. Overhead lighting is LED and reading lights as well. A large hanging stowage there forward. Moving across the companionway, we have the forward WC and shower. Again, nice white GRP finish there with the diverter valve for holding tanks. Manual Jabsco Marine WC. Also got a little ensuite door there to the forward cabin. And looking aft, the forward WC features a separate shower stall. Thermostatically controlled showers on riser bar. And stepping aft back into the saloon. That raised nav station there on starboard. Saloon seating. And the companionway steps with nice stainless grab rails as you come down there. Quick peek at the wet locker just aft of the nav station, nicely lined out in GRP. That's a practical feature. Stepping down into the owner's cabin, large centerline double, and a little settee to starboard, air conditioning controls there and 220-volt outlets throughout. Small settees either side of the berth and an abundance of locker space, as you can see. Nice little feature as we look up here, the cockpit table is set up on a plinth, and it's a raised GRP plinth, so it gives an additional bit of light and ventilation into the cabin. And vents there for the air conditioning. So owner's WC and shower to starboard. Again, a nice feature, both bathrooms feature separate shower stalls. Quick glimpse of my colleague Addy Daly there from Berthon, Spain. Just a quick detail there of access to the rear of the engine bay. And so the yacht's currently berthed in Palma, currently under the care of Berthon Spain. So all in all, a well-presented yacht and very much ready to go for this season. Viewings are encouraged. During this time, actually, we can offer FaceTime viewings as well. For further information, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.